Okay, this is day 3. Putting this motor back in. We've only been working on it a couple hours a day. That's why it's taking so long. But hopefully today we'll be buttoning up all the loose ends to try to get her up and started for the next day. Maybe even tonight. It is, what, almost 11 o'clock at night now. And we're going to work through the night.
See where we go.
Yep.
Starter's in, AC compressor's in, power steering pump is in.
That's beautiful. We gotta figure out. You scared me with this vacuum line nonsense.
I don't remember.
I know where they go. Don't worry about
Well,
it.
there's a hole.
Let's hook up the fuel lines.
There's a small vacuum line that went from
There's a valve.
this shit. All this shit goes somewhere over there.
Yeah, I know exactly where this goes.
Okay. What is that stuff?
Lube.
KY?
Yes. Okay, so we need to take off that other one. That's gonna go like that.
Yes.
Like this.
Yes.
Let this one go in here.
Yeah.
And where do these two go? Oh, the regulator. Goes into the regulator.
Okay.
And then you block off these two.
There you go.
So we don't need this one. This one doesn't, I don't know where this one doesn't plug into anything then.
No, it doesn't. Just get it out of here.
Because we had that pipe that this one went into, right?
That's right.
That went into here.
That's right.
Right? And then the regulator was on that side, so one of the regulators
Was there. Yeah.
Which
Which is probably that 2-into-1 shit.
Whatever, open the glove box and see what it goes.
Okay.
I have no idea. Which is weird why it goes inside the car.
Probably vacuum for the fucking heat. The when I changed from Florida,
Because he has this blocked off.
yeah. So basically, I'd have to attach that to it. So basically, I won't get vacuum when the doors.
So unless I do that.
That's what that is.
Okay, so if I do this.
Can't you? What are you trying to do?
Take off that one.
Yeah. And just use one of those.
Put it in here. Because it looks like this is supposed to connect to something over here, but
Yeah.
there's nothing here. Yeah, but like, see how it's pinched here?
Mm-hmm.
It's like it shrunk, like it melted.
It probably did. I think I'm going to try and source an ECU for this car. That way I can run the PI harness.
Oh, to get the
But the
wireless
yeah,
or the
yeah.
coolant plug.
Mm-hmm. Hey, we're so close. We're so close. We're one ground wire away.
Oh, I think I have to do the tie rod. I don't.
No, we didn't tighten it yet.
Ground wire, the tires, exhaust.
Oil, coolant.
Oh, I hear the birds.
Yep.
3:30.
Not bad.
Mind you, I think we had more space
Yeah, I know.
It'd be easier to get around.
Imagine we had a hoist.
We really didn't even need the hoist today. Barely.
Imagine if we did.
Oh, I put that. Yeah, see? Trying to find you, can't find it. But the cotter pin, this fucking small shit, I know exactly where it was.
It's so fucked up. Shut the fuck up. Holy shit, Dave, it's done. Damn! Now if it starts. Let's get the shoe back on the ground, buddy. Holy cow, Dave.
Do you think you'd be doing an engine swap in here?
No.
Me neither.
You know what I mean? Let's put the battery in at least.
Batteries are less than
You're stubborn, eh?
Yeah.
Why are you wearing new shoes here?
They're not new shoes. And if it was new shoes, my choice to wear new shoes if I wanted.
Oh, is it now?
Yeah.
Oh, really? It's almost so funny your haircut looks. Dave, there's a fucking engine in his car, man. I'm so happy.
So how's it feel to put oil in this thing?
I'm just praying it starts. I'm delirious right now, dude.
It's regular time to go to bed.
Yeah, I'm not usually putting an engine in at 3 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, you got it right this time. It's just like movie caption.
Practice makes perfect. Check the dipstick.
That's alright.
Oh.
It's overfilled.
Well, don't forget, still gotta fill up the filter, right? Well, let's run oil through it. We'll crank it. Unplug the coils.
Here.
Yeah.
Alright. First startup.
It's got wicked oil pressure.
It's reading.
Went right up, yeah.
She's done.
Woohoo!
We just need to do the exhaust. There was no, we didn't have any of the bolts. They were rotted on, the old ones. The new ones didn't come with any. So this is where we're at. And
Holy
yeah.
cow!
Isn't that loud?
No, it's not. You want to run it? I just gotta get the fans to come on. That's it.
We need coolant.
I'll run water in it. Put water. I'll get the hose. Holy cow! It runs. Yes, buddy. High five.
Alright, until the next day, fill up with coolant and get her for a drive.
Yeah, get the exhaust on.
Go to Mexico, do burnouts.
Oh, big ones.
We'll see. We'll see.
I feel sorry for those rear tires.
Alright, so done. 4 o'clock, 4:30 in the morning. Birds.
And we started at.
Birds are chirping.
We started close to 11 o'clock last night.
So it took us longer than usual. It would usually, but we don't have much space in this garage
To put a V8 in a car using
like
jack stands.
the car doesn't even fit straight in the garage. We have to put it in diagonally so we can actually work on it. Because it's still cold here in Canada, so right now it's probably like 5 degrees right now. But we did it, and yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Sorry, 10? You have a 10?
No.
I just had a 10. Oh no. What the fuck did I do with it? Okay, my god, this is such a fucking simple task. It has to be the most difficult out of this whole thing. In mounting the engine to the tranny was really doing this.
Last time we got had this? It's gotta be like 3 a.m. now.
That's 3. It was 3.
No!
It's 4 o'clock. What are you new at this? When you feel that first point in the car.